we go. That's pretty cool. So welcome to a standard cabin balcony room. Some nice drawers. These are nice. We got the fold downs. Plenty of hanging room. Full length mirror. Hello everybody. You're safe. Some more pull out drawers. Lots of storage. Let's take a look at the bathroom because you know everybody wants to see the bathroom. This is pretty roomy. This is pretty spacious. Oh, I like the shelving. Nice decor. Of course, more storage here under the cabinet. We got our beautiful shower door. Ooh, that opens kind of interesting. That's nice. Our pedal bar. And there we go. Our shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Okay, everyone. And then we have the sofa. It's very clean, very crisp feeling. Get your hair dryer. Of course, our drawer. Here is our fridge with some spring water in there. That's nice. There we go. Yeah, beautiful. Nice room. Let's take a look at the balcony. Beautiful furniture, really nice. And these chairs recline. It's gonna get a little loud here. I don't know if you can hear me, but nice size balcony. Feels pretty good. Both these partitions do open up, so if you're traveling with somebody and you wanted to open up your balconies, you could do that, pass through this end. It does look like we overhang here a bit, so we're not looking straight down. And then there's our view of Galveston. So, yeah guys. Hey Bri.
Hey, what's up?
Just taking a look.
How's your room?
What I think it's beautiful. I was just saying, clean, crisp feeling. What do you think overall, Bri? Overall, what do you think of the cabin? First impression, because we just got here.
First impression is it's pretty much a standard balcony. Pretty much a standard balcony cabin. And they say the room size is a little bit larger. I don't think it feels that much larger than any other ship I've ever been on. The bathroom does feel a little bit larger.
I thought the bathroom felt larger.
The bathroom does feel larger, and it looks like there is...
You know, there's some nice space to walk between here. I know in the past, especially when the bed is near the balcony, sometimes it's literally like crawling between floors. So there might be a few extra inches here. And, you know, it is. It's pretty spacious in here. I'll give you. We're not talking like anything major. And this is just a standard balcony. So, you know, maybe we'll get a look later in the week at some of the suites. But anyway.
There are some upgrades on this ship that I haven't seen on others. You do have your USB and your USB-C.
Yeah, let's get those.
You got your European outlet. You did an outlet there. There's two outlets here. And I believe there's USB.
There we go. Get that lit up.
There is USB-C and USB.
Yes, very nice. There we go. Right in the lamps. That's I think it's only on one side though. If I saw other people post. Oh, that's huge. Okay.
As well as a light switch.
Watch out, Bri. I'm gonna just get that on both lamps. Both of those lamps there have your two different size USB ports, which is absolutely fantastic. So overall, I'm gonna give this room a rating. I mean, we haven't gone anywhere yet. We haven't done anything, but
there are also USBs on the back of the TV, and HDMI's and coax.
Let's take a look at Bri here. Looking at that
on the back here.
So
if you want to bring something,
I don't know. I'll turn sideways just for this shot, guys, but you can kind of see.
But there is HDMI's.
There you go. USBs. So some good tips. So overall, I'm gonna give this room a really high rating. I mean, if I was rating it on a scale of 1 to 5, I feel comfortable right now just getting in here and giving it a 5. So I will update that later in the cruise just to see if anything changes. But yeah, NCL Prima, room 9808, standard balcony. We are forward on the ship, and beautiful. So stay tuned. We got a lot more coming to you. We're just dropping off our bags now and gonna go out and explore a bit. So we do have dinner reservations tonight. See you on the seas.